So welcome to my Diwali vlog. घर पे आओगे तो सफाई तो करनी पड़ेगी. अरे सोच फेस्टिवल से अभी भी कलर बहुत सॉलिड है तो पता नहीं किसका प्यार दिख रहा है. It's all about the money, money, money. And उसके लिए मम्मी चाहिए because इतना नहीं है. कर लो तुम अपना रोमांस कर लो. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is November 1 and I am in full Diwali prep mode right now. I am celebrating Diwali after 3 years with my family. I haven't celebrated Diwali because I was away, obviously you guys know that. So I am so excited, like I am going all out this time. Create Indian outfits from scratch, borrow some from my mom. I'm going to decorate my house like never before and I'm going to celebrate Diwali in full swing as much as I can. Of course, like COVID is still there and you still can't go out and like celebrate it the way you wanted, but I will make the most of the time that I have. So welcome to my Diwali vlog. So keep on watching for Diwali prep as well as the 5 days of Diwali and the outfits. So right now I'm gonna go and start prepping for my outfits. I'm going to Tirumala with my mom, which is like a material store, and I actually got a sari last night from Satyapal, which is crazy. We were just driving by. I was like, Mom, I feel like wearing a sari this time for Diwali. And I'm like, I'll just borrow a sari that you have. And she's like, you know what? Let's go. Let's check it out. Let's check out Satyapal because we were right in that area. So I'm like, okay, fine, let's go. And then I went in and I actually bought a sari. And my mom has always wanted a Satyapal sari. And anytime I would go to Palladium, she would see Satyapal and she would always ask me like, one day you'll buy me the sari. And I'm like, yes, mommy, I will buy you the sari. One day I will get you a Satyapal sari. And I couldn't believe that I could just actually walk into the store and get a Satyapal sari for her. Today we are gonna go and get a blouse for that. And also hopefully go and get some lehenga choli materials. So today I'm gonna go to Tirumala and yeah, we're gonna start our vlog from today and till the end of Diwali. So keep on watching.
Then a few minutes later.
Hi guys! We're getting mehendi done for Diwali. Too excited for Diwali, clearly. This is my Alka auntie. Say hi! And on like one hand we've done total Indian mehendi. Still not that Indian, but like it has roses. And on the other hand, guys, it's like I've never done a mehendi. So like guess what this is? Like can you guys guess? Put it on the comments, what is this? For Diwali, so this is very traditional, still Arabic style mehendi with like roses and petals. But now is the best part of my mehendi, which is on my left hand side, which is so I have Statue of Liberty, the Big Apple. I love NYC with Statue of Liberty. Also, I have a map. You guys, I have a world map in my mehendi, and of course, New York City skyline. So this mehendi was done by Auntie. So she does beautiful mehendi. Not just this is because this is what I wanted, and we tried doing Statue of Liberty and the Big Apple and the world map and the skyline, but she just doesn't do this mehendi like Arabic. She does every kind of mehendi possible. So I will definitely link her contact in the bio. So please contact her for any mehendi thingy. What do you want to say about this mehendi?
I don't know. She loves. That's it.
Yeah, I loved it. I absolutely love it. And thank you so much. So far, because I also have to put mehndi, but I also have to work. So, multitasking to 30. But jeet gaye Mumbai Indians. Woohoo!
The following day.
What are you doing? Tell na at least.
घर पे लगा ऐसा लगा कि हम इतने साल बाद आए दिवाली के लिए तो घर की सफाई नहीं करने को मिलेगी हम विल जस्ट लाइक ड्रेस अप एंड यू नो सेलिब्रेट दिवाली बट घर पे आओगे तो सफाई तो करनी पड़ेगी ऐसे नहीं है कि तुम सिर्फ मस्ती करोगे है ना दिवाली में तो सफाई चालू है इंडियन ट्रेडिशन बाकी टाइम पे सफाई करना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है लेकिन दिवाली में सफाई करना इम्पोर्टेंट है देखो पंख उछवा रही है क्या है लाइफ हमें लगा कि हम आके यहाँ पे आके मस्ती करेंगे मजा करेंगे क्या
तो ये मस्ती तो है चलो चलो जल्दी मजदूर लोग वर्कर्स प्लीज वर्क यू ऑल आर वर्कर्स कम ऑन सी शी इज नंदा सी हियर स्माइल ये दिस इज रंगोली ओके वी आर स्टिकिंग हियर
आर्ट ड्रॉ करना नहीं आता नहीं कर सकते ड्रॉ इम्पॉसिबल है आर्ट इज जीरो सो रेडीमेड रंगोली कर सकते
put it down properly the same distance maintain the distance
यस इट्स द सेम डिस्टेंस
Eventually.
Hi guys, so today is Vag Baras. What does that mean? Okay, let's take this into the kitchen and ask the person. What does Vag Baras mean?
Vag Baras means a day before Dhanteras, and there is nothing meaning like that, but it's a day before Dhanteras, and Diwali actually starts 2 days prior to Dhanteras, and that is called Agyaras, then Baras, then Dhanteras. So it's a all preparation time, Diwali time, and we all prepare our food and sweets, and we clean our house, we decorate our house for Diwali. For this is 2 days before Dhanteras, is just to make snacks and sweets.
Paid puja, baki sab kaam dooja. So for Vag Baras, today my outfit is this. I don't have like a full length mirror, but I will put in my reels that I created. And today, like I created my first reels because Instagram finally decided to give me reels. उससे अब तक मुझे reels नहीं दिए थे. So Instagram finally decided to like, हाँ, now it's the time to give her reels. So they gave me reels and I was creating reels. This is my setup, like it's in my balcony, and this is the reels that I created, and this was the outfit. So like I'm sorry, I literally forgot to vlog when I was getting ready, but this is a top which I had since like what for the last 5 years now, and this skirt is like so old, but I don't know, it still fits, which is amazing.
24 hours later.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Dhanteras. Happy Dhanteras to everyone. And yeah, I just woke up, showered. I have to do my hair still, do my makeup and everything and get ready for today. But yeah, this is my mehendi day 3 after applying mehendi, and अभी भी कलर बहुत सॉलिड है तो पता नहीं किसका प्यार दिख रहा है. If you are someone जिसका मेरा प्यार दिख रहा है यहाँ पे तो comment down. I don't know किसका प्यार दिख रहा है, कोई है तो है नहीं, बट ठीक है कलर आया है, थोड़ा सा फिल्मी बनता है. But yeah, that's it. I'll go get ready and we can then bougie.
A little later.
Today is day 2. Today is Dhanteras. So this is what I'm wearing. It's sharara and a top. And I got this outfit made for my Chacha's 50th birthday, so like around 5-6 years ago. And I still can't believe that all my clothes from like that 5-6 years ago still fit. So this is basically a cape outfit, but I'm not wearing it with the cape. I'm actually wearing it with dupatta. So when I got this lehenga. Wearing a cape was the thing to do. Everyone was like wearing a cape. I'm gonna insert a picture here to show you how I styled it back then with the cape. But today I really don't feel like wearing the cape. I instead feel like wearing a dupatta and everything. So I actually bribed my mom and I'm like, please koi dupatta to de do. And look at the dupatta, you guys. Like this is so pretty. I made an Instagram reel. I'm gonna put it here. 2 ways to style a sharara with a cape and with a dupatta. But look at this. It looks so pretty. I would wear a earring, but I don't. I'm in this no earrings phase for now. So I'm just layering it with this choker that I have, just emeralds and rose quartz and pearl. And then I'm layering this dupatta that goes perfectly well with it. So this is my outfit. I love my makeup. I've got this blue liner to go with the blue in my dupatta.
A few moments later.
Hi! We both are ready. He's also wearing blue, I'm also wearing blue, we're matching. So today's question of the day. What does Dhanteras mean?
Dhanteras means it's Dhanvantri Devi is there and we have to puja for Dhanvantri. Dhanvantri means आरोग्य और आपका आरोग्य के लिए ये पूजा की जाती है. अगर धनवंतरी की जगह पे धन को भी अभी उन्होंने एक आयाम बना दिया तो उसे लक्ष्मी पूजा भी कहते हैं. दोनों चीज़ को आज मिक्स करके लक्ष्मी और आरोग्य, धनवंतरी और धन की पूजा करके आप पूरे साल तक समृद्धिमय हो सकते हैं और सुखी हो सकते हैं. इसीलिए धनतेरस की पूजा की जाती है.
वाह वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Guys, know it. If you want money, do Lakshmi Puja. Do Dhanteras Puja. Because it's all about the money, money, money. How do I look, Papa?
Stunning. So nice dupatta and good combinations. Really love it.
He's biased, I know, but thank you.
Not biased. You have to admire what people deserve it.
Are you excited for Diwali for tomorrow?
Yeah, we are doing everything every day, every Diwali, puja. It's called Chopra Pujan, and so many rituals we are doing. And this is required during Diwali time to give gratitude towards your business, towards your books, towards your pupils, and make happy everyone. This is the way we have to celebrate the Diwali. But no firecracker. Green Diwali.
Say no to pataka, be a pataka.
24 hours later.
Hello, hi. Good morning. Happy Diwali to everyone. आज दिवाली है, आज like real की दिवाली है, and so I'm getting ready. We have a puja at the factory. So I'm getting ready for the puja and also just for Diwali. So I woke up pretty late because I was working till like 5 in the morning because Fridays are like hectic. Towards the end, so I was working till 5 in the morning and then I slept, so I woke up at like 11. So obviously dark circles बहुत ज़्यादा है. So I've just taken ice on normal tissue paper and just like patting face for it to like deep off my face. So yeah, so then I woke up in the morning and then what did I do? Chilled for a bit, had my chai, coffee and everything, and then I was like, okay, let's get ready. But my mom was like, ki puja to raat ko hai, abhi se kyun ready ho rahi, utna utsahi. So I was like, okay, let's start to just like, you know, wear a normal kurta, which I'm wearing right now. And I had my full lunch, like dal, bhat, chaak, roti, baddu kha do main aaj. Oh my god, this is the first time I'm speaking Gujarati on my channel. Like after that, applying my moisturizer. Today I'm applying more foundation than I usually do because this needs to stay for the entire night. Diwali is the festival of lights. Haha, very basic, like amazing general knowledge. And सच्चाई की जीत हुई थी उस दिन. Now moving on to our eyes. I'm wearing a sari. It's a beautiful sari. So वही सोच रही हूँ मैं कि what should I do with my eyes, because the sari is very like cocktail hour, and I'm using two palettes, which is the Nude by Huda Beauty and then my Dream Stars palette, because I don't have all the colors in the Nude by Huda Beauty ones. Okay, next is purpley brown. So this is what my eye looks right now. I've just used shades from the James Charles palette for now. I've used Mary and You're Kidding on my crease, and then to intensify it I've used Boutique, and just gonna line my waterline a bit so that it looks intense. Shimmer, a little bit of shimmer, and there is a highlighter. Like, so I still know I'm yet to apply mascara, and because I'm gonna apply fake eyelashes, and uske liye mummy chahiye because itna nahi aata. So let's go get my lashes on. With my hair, I hope it stays, and my makeup, and like this makeup is done by me. I did my entire makeup. जो भी almost निकल गया because I went out, met everyone, सब कर लिया. उसके बाद मुझे याद है वो shit मैं introduction to यार मैं shoot ही नहीं किया. But yeah, so today is Diwali. Happy Diwali to everyone. And I'm wearing this beautiful sari by Satyapal. So I'm so excited. This is my first time ever after जो स्कूल में तुम 10th के फेयरवेल में जो तुम पहनते हो. The first time I'm wearing a sari, and I love it. Like this blouse I got custom made from this designer. Her name is Mansi. I'll link her information down in the description. But the blouse is so beautiful. It fits me so well and just elevates the sari so much. It's my first time ever wearing a sari. I'm so excited.
1 hour later.
Salu Barak, there is tomorrow. So we are writing our books today. So the God will give us all health, wealth and prosperity and blessings for the next coming year. Saraswati Puja.
Ganpati
Saraswati. Ganpati is always the first Lord to be prayed. Mahalakshmi Puja, because Mahalakshmi is part of business. And Saraswati Lakshmi સાથે હોય ને ગણપતિ ભેગા હોય તો એનો બહુ સરસ આપણે ભવિષ્ય આપણું સારું થાય.
Later.
रात के 2:45 बजे.
रात के 2:45. What does 2:45 mean?
2:45.
Oh ho. बेटा मैकडॉनल्ड्स नहीं खुला होगा कि तू मैकडॉनल्ड्स के वहाँ पे जाके रुक गया है.
Much later.
हम रात के 3 बजे बाहर निकल के क्या कर रहे हैं? What we doing? Drive. आधी रात को. सुनसान रास्ता. और हमारे साथ कोई चलो जाते हैं हम कहीं पे भी. चलो दिल चाहता है बजा रहा है. मतलब क्या तेरे को रोड ट्रिप करना है? अभी निकलना गोवा. चल अभी निकलना तो चल.
Much later.
आधी रात को हम क्या खाने निकले? कर लो तुम अपना रोमांस कर लो. हाँ कर लो किस्सी विस्सी कर लो, सब कर लो, रोमांस कर लो. कर 1 2 3 पुच्ची मुच्ची.
1 eternity later.
Good morning guys, this is my makeup for today. I am wearing a pantsuit, so I've wore my Zara pants and this top that I wore it on the first day as well, and then a sari on top and a choker. Very Indian feels, but with a western twist. So today is a day after Diwali. So basically a day after Diwali is New Year's mostly, but this year because it's a leap year, that's why we have an additional day. So this day is called as Dhoka. For all the dhokebaz people, ye tumhara din hai. Just kidding. No, this day is not for that. It's a day to adjust the leap year to Hindu calendar. And yeah, I'm wearing this very Indian, very traditional look today because I wanted to like do something different, and I was so obsessed with wearing sari that I was like, I want to wear sari again, but this time I wanted to do something different. So yeah, I do like literally my hair is like so short, as it has never been this short before. But yeah, I love it. I absolutely love my makeup.
રબડી આપો પપ્પાને. આ રહી ને ચમચા બહાર કાઢ્યા હતા ને કેમ ગયા બોલી આપો.
મમ્મી આપી
તમારે શું જોવું છે રબડી માટે ચમચો કાઢો.
આ ખર્ચી પડી છે ને
હા લો મીઠું એને લીધા લાગ્યો.
The following day.
Hey guys, happy new year to all of you. So today I'm wearing this lehenga and top, and I've recreated the look which I created for my last video, which was like get ready with me for Diwali. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. I'll link it up here. But yeah, today is the final day of Diwali. Today is New Year, and for a lot of people is also Bhai Dooj. So New Year's is basically according to Hindu calendar. Today is our New Year. Today is a new beginning and a new brand new year with lots of hopes and like wishes and everything. In the entire vlog, I did not have a chance to sit and talk with you guys because it was just like go from the very beginning. I wore a sari, I wore a pant sari, I wore sharara, I wore a ghagra type thing that I'm wearing right now. I also wore a straight fit lens. So I had so many outfit options, and I absolutely enjoy creating all those outfits. So finally I got the reels, and I created a lot of reels. So come follow me on Instagram as well. That's all for my Diwali vlog. I hope you guys enjoy getting to know more about Diwali and customs and traditions, celebrating Diwali after 3 whole years. So yeah, this makes me really happy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel because it would mean a lot to me. So please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, and wish you a very happy Diwali and a great happy new year ahead. And I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.